Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use Kimi K3 for free. Okay, first thing first, go to Google. When I go to Google and searched on YouTube Kimi K3 for free, we have a lot of videos as you can see, but there is a problem. Most of those videos added to this link for the Kimi website.com. For example, when I choose Kimi K3 as you can see and say for example hi, it's not works because this message always comes. Too many people are chatting Kimi right now, but it's not true. This message is to click this upgrade and pay to use Kimi K3. For us, we want to use Kimi K3 for free. Okay, we have two websites allows you to use Kimi K3 for free. First one is ChatHub. Okay, let's create an account, sign up here, continue with Google, choose your Google account, continue. Okay, there is a lot of models as you can see. Okay, where is Kimi K3? Okay, I want to use this Kimi K3. Okay, let's for example search. I want to have a response for this question. Is it possible to convert RAM to VRAM? Let's send and let's see. It searches the same. It starts thinking using the Sonnet 4.6 and here the Kimi K3. Okay, I want to open the single chat. I want this one only. Okay, fine. He's given me this short answer with 4 answers. Okay, let's test the second website that allows you to use Kimi K3 for free. This PIAX website. Go to piax.org and go here to log in and sign in with your Google account. Okay, to the Google account, hit continue. Okay, for me is I don't have money for that. Okay, let's get rid of this message and go here to AI chat. Choose Kimi K3 and enable the syncing mode and hit paste and let's see. I start thinking right now. Okay, as you can see, it's working. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial. See you later on the next tutorial.